Tired of hard-coding secrets in your Spring Boot apps, leaving them vulnerable to attack? This video will walk you through setting up Hashicorp Vault on your Windows machine to keep those secrets locked down tight. First things first, you'll need to download and install Hashicorp Vault for Windows from their official website. This is where you grab the software after the download. Run the installer. It's a straightforward process, similar to installing any other Windows application. So just follow the on-screen prompts. Next, open your command prompt and use a command to make sure Vault is accessible from any location, which means you'll need to set the environment variable. Search for environment variables in your Windows search bar, and then edit the system variables. You may need to restart your terminal for the changes to take effect. Now, initialize the Vault server in the command prompt. Execute the appropriate command, and it'll display your Unseal keys and a root token. These are crucial for security. Store these securely, as they're your keys to the kingdom. With Vault initialized, you need to unseal it. Use the command. Inputting one of your Unseal keys provided earlier, you'll likely need to repeat this process with multiple Unseal keys to fully unseal the Vault, depending on the number you set up. Moving on to your Spring Boot application, you'll need to add the necessary dependencies in your POMXML file to utilize Vault. This tells your application how to talk to Vault. Add these dependencies to your Gradle or Maven dependencies according to your project structure. Now, integrate Vault within your application by obtaining your Spring Boot properties from Vault using specific annotations and configurations. This lets your application securely retrieve secrets that are stored in Vault. With Vault and Spring Boot set up, you've dramatically enhanced your application's security. Remember to always handle your Unseal key securely, and explore further features of Vault to strengthen your security posture. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security tips.